Good morning, everybody. So let's look at gold. Looking at gold on the daily time frame. Let's remove all of these drawings. So looking at gold on the daily time frame, we see we are at support on gold. So looking at the 4 hour, also on the 4 hour, we are on support, and I think we have a resistance over here. So let's look on the smaller time frame. Yeah. So looking at the smaller time frame on the 1 hour, we see we are currently at support, and we have a resistance over here. We have also another resistance over here. So looking at this current candle, we see it is breaking the high of the previous current candle, but we are currently bearish. So we are going to wait. Looking at the 30-minute, also we are at a support. So what we would want to see is price pulling back, creating some sort of a resistance for to fill this new low. That would be a setup too in my book. So for buys, I would want to see price create some sort of a change of structure like this to the upside to for buys. But besides that, I would want to see some sort of a resistance, some sort of a bearish candle, next candle pulling back, and I think we could fill this low over here. That is our analysis for gold. And looking at DAX, gold is pretty simple today, nothing hard. For buys, I think we would look above here in the New York session, but for the London session, I think sells would make sense. Looking at DAX right now, let's remove all the drawings because this is the second time I'm making the same video. The first time there was no volume in the video, so yeah. Looking at DAX, we are just pushing up on DAX. There's no without any pullbacks. Uh, I think we could mark this. So these both are resistance right over here. Looking at the 4 hour, let's just remove this. Looking at the 4 hour, we have created a resistance right here on the 4 hour, and also we have some sort of a support right here on the 4 hour. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, what what the 1 hour time frame says is we have we are currently at a support on the 1 hour, and what I think is if we can break below this level, I think there is a higher probability for price to fill this range. Looking at the 30-minute, okay, we have range up until here. So because we are changing structures, we should break and close below this so that we could continue to push down. Okay, this is our analysis for DAX and gold. Hope you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, let's see you in the London session.